Hey everyone, it's Teresa with Yellow Daisy. Welcome back. Today I'm taking part in the DIY Mommy 2018 Organization DIY and Decor Challenge. My project today is going to be an essential oil shelf that I will be making for our daughter Courtney and installing it on the inside of her hall closet door. If you are new to our channel, I would like to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoy the video.
Okay guys, so here I am measuring for the shelf. I decided to go with a 27-inch long by 24-inch wide. The material that I'm using is a pine fencing that we actually had laying around in the garage. And here I'm cutting all the boards for the shelf. Here I need to rip down the wood to make the shelves. And here I'm determining where I need to put the extra little piece of trim so that when she opens up her closet door, the oils don't fall out. And for the paint, I used what we already had here in the garage. It's a white eggshell. My husband is helping me install the shelf, and this is the inside of my daughter's hall closet. Okay guys, here's my finished DIY organization project. I am so thrilled and excited on how this turned out. I hope you enjoyed this DIY project and it motivated you to take on a DIY project of your own. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this DIY project, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.